I finally get to do an unboxing video, so let's get to it. Today, we got one, baby. We are gonna change out the headlights on the Corvette C6 with these bad babies. Let's go. So these guys, the Eagle Eyes, are going to be going away. I like those. Might be giving them to one of my neighbors who got a Vette. Those guys are going out for these guys. Get up out of there. Right here. The reason why I say it's my turn is because I finally got a package that came to the house. You know, the wife got packages coming in and out of this thing like it's FedEx.
Yeah.
But I finally got something that came for me. That's right. Big Daddy got something.
Big Daddy always has a plan to fix it.
I got me some lights for the Corvette. So these lights out here, but here's the light itself. So she's smoked out. Yeah, she look nice. Smoked out. Cool. Let's fight a lane. I know y'all probably like, man, we don't care about that. I do. Spend my money, man. I'll take all the free little gifts I can get. Yeah, it's got a nice little lanyard or something. We can put that to use. Open it up to the most important part, which are the lights itself. All right. So look, it's got an on and off switch on the back of it. These switches. So these are this is how you can turn it to like sequential and all this stuff. So it has a bunch of different lights that we can play around with. The rest of them out. Got some deflectors. Don't think you need those. And look, Vette lights. Okay, Vette lights. Listen, Vette lights. Come on, man. A lot of subscribers, man, because I would love to get some discounts from Vette lights. They give you some sunglasses along with some, lanyards and a bunch. Yeah, you get deflectors inside of here. So if you want the deflectors, you can get that. And this is the other right hand. So I got my lights right here. I got my little tools right here for my torques. And you guys will not get the justification of watching me struggle, even though it's supposed to just be torque screws here. That'll just pop all these out. All right, so here's how they look right here. Just, turning the car on. So that's what I like about them. So they got like this infinity circle, so that looks really, really dope. And then here are the switches on the back. So if you wanted to, this will stay in the off position, they said, for US, the top. And in here you can see it says sequential or non-sequential. So you could switch it if you wanted to look sequential on the turning signal, red or amber. All right, so I got them all in red, and so I'm gonna hit the turning signal for here, and then that one's gonna be amber, that one will be amber, and these will stay red on the outside. See, or whatever, you can have that one amber, that could be standard. I'm gonna turn it to sequential right now. So what I'm gonna do, pop it back, and then this little button right here says sequential, non-sequential. I'm going to turn it to sequential. And now it'll blink. So now you can have it to where this one's sequential, that one's standard. So you can get really creative with how your design is, All right, so let me make this quick. I'm wrapping this video up. Number one, do I like the headlights? Absolutely. Love the headlights. They add a modern touch to a car that's from 2009. It now looks a little more modern with the sequential turning signals and just the look of them alone, right? It's a nice product, you know, like it's got a little weight to it, not a lot, but you got a nice customization, or you could customize it pretty dope. I love them. I posted it on Instagram while I was working on it, and people were sending fire emojis, love emojis. They love the lights, and I cannot wait to take it out on Woodward, aka Woody, when I'm out here, man, because I love being able to ride. Definitely at nighttime, I think that's when they're gonna look really, really dope. Next thing is the install. The install was really easy. I mean, it's just some torque screws. I think probably the more challenging part would be trying to figure out the reverse light, right? Because you got to find the reverse light, and then you have to tie the white cable into the reverse light. So the left side, you have to pretty much interconnect them and then have one white dangling cord and then tie it into the reverse light, and then the same for the right side. But I will get that installed. I'll figure that out. But if you just want the headlights itself and the sequentials feature, super easy. What is next for Black Vette? I would like to hear what things that you guys are interested in Black Vette to get. I'm thinking about going ahead and switching out the fog lights. The fog lights are blue on it, and I'm going to change them out to the LED, and I believe they're also by Vette Lights. So it's like they're like $250, so not a lot of money. But I'm gonna probably do that maybe next month. So let me hear what y'all got to say. Let me get out of here. Like, subscribe. Bye, Felicia.